Here's a quick little video to show you what torch-height control oscillation looks like. As you can see in this snapshot, there is quite a bit of warping going on this thin stock. Here we're going to monitor a cut in slow motion with the torch-height control speed set at 60. You can see the z-axis oscillating back and forth. You notice it never really locks on to where it's supposed to be. Let's take a look at the same cut with the THC speed set to 15. If you notice, there are no oscillations. The goal here is to actually tune your machine so that you can get that THC speed up as high as it can go without causing any of the oscillations. So, until next time, thanks for watching.